Hello Internet, and welcome to a new tutorial. So I've been asked to create generative patches on the Neutron, and to be honest, I've never seen the Neutron as a machine or a synthesizer that can create generative patches. But I thought to myself, you know what, okay, let's give it a shot. And to my surprise, the Neutron allows to create some really nice generative patches, not those melodic ones, because, we will need some extra modules to do so, but all alone, it can create these, let's say, texture generator patches, these patches that you will record like maybe 10 minutes out of it, or maybe less, and then cherry pick some nice textures and wobbles and whatever. So this tutorial is going to be all about creating a generative texture creator type of patch on the Neutron. Okay, so to trigger the Neutron, we're going to use a square LFO. We'll send the unipolar output to the first envelope, which basically will open and close the VCA according to the envelope, which for now is 0 attack, full decay, full sustain, no release. Now, the sample and hold, we're going to send it to the mult, and the first mult actually will go to the second attenuator so we can control the intensity of the modulation, and with it we're going to modulate the LFO speed so we can get some movement. Now let's set the first oscillator to saw, filter, close it a little bit. And now I want to modulate the filter with both the bipolar LFO and the sample and hold. So I'm going to send the bipolar LFO to the sum 1A input and the sample and hold to sum 2A input. And the output of sum A will go to the frequency modulation input of the filter. So now let's set the filter to bandpass, give it some resonance, and let's crank that modulation depth knob. Let's try the ramp up shape for the LFO. Okay, pretty interesting results so far. Now let's FM oscillator 2 with oscillator 1. I'm going to sync both oscillators and set them both to saw, but you can set them to your liking. And by the way, the pitch range in here is going to be the full range because, in my opinion, it works best with these kind of patches. Let's set the first envelope to a plucky kind of envelope, and let's send it to modulate the pitch of both oscillators via the oscillator 1 and 2 pitch modulation input. In these type of patches, we're constantly searching for sweet spots, so always changing these parameters to find like a nice tone we like. Now, let's give it some character with the internal delay. I'm going to set it to a fairly slow delay with a lot of feedback. And I'm going to modulate the delay's time with the second envelope. So what I'm going to do, I'll send the second envelope to the invert in And from the invert, I'm going to send it to the first attenuator so I can control the intensity of the modulation, and from the first attenuator to the delay time modulation input. And now we got a really nice texture out of this delay. Now let's give it a proper delay from the Ocean's 12 pedal. Okay, let's try some different shapes for the LFO. And actually what I'm going to do in here is that I'll break the sample on hold and LFO modulation to the cutoff, and I'll use the sample on hold to modulate the LFO shape. And since the LFO is by default hardwired to the filter cutoff modulation, I'm going to leave it just like so to modulate the filter cutoff. Always looking for the sweet spots. Now, what I'm going to do, I'll take the bipolar LFO output and I'm going to set it to modulate the first oscillator's pitch, and this will give us these laser type of sounds. And always try some different shapes, maybe something works better than the saw. And with this is the end of this tutorial. I really hope you've liked it. I really hope you've learned something new. Have a great one.